going?
Well, first of all, I want to explain, this product doesn't exist anywhere currently. Like, this is a new product we've kind of had to invent. You know, it's an internet connected color changing lava lamp. And it's been a fun journey. I've kind of enjoyed learning about how like lava lamps work and stuff. Do you know how a lava lamp works?
Do you think this product is something you could sell in the future?
We're already selling it.
LGHSHSHSHSHSHS, does my lava lamp still change colors? Maybe I don't remember it because I have low memory in the old version.
That's an excellent point. Yes, it does still change color. But yeah, so what I was gonna say is lava lamps, the way they normally work is they have a little bulb. Do you know what that bulb does?
I feel like I might know this, but you'll have to remind me.
It heats up the wax and it shines a little light that looks cool. Has two functions. And then, you know, the wax melts, it goes up, and then it gets cooler, it comes back down, right? Very simple. Problem with bulbs is the current ones, like incandescent bulbs and stuff, they don't change color. So we need to replace them with LEDs. But LEDs, they don't heat up like bulbs. So we also have to add a heater in there. But can you see the problem with that?
How are the heaters controlled?
On a little PCB, little chip.
Is this the printed circuit board you've been learning about? What was it called again? PCB.
Sure. But yeah, I mean, things start melting if you add a heater on there. So yeah, we have like an induction coil that heats up the bottle. But we ran into a bunch of problems where it would also burn out all of the electronics. We have to have more electronics in there because it needs to connect the internet, there needs to be a Wi-Fi chip, and there also needs to be Bluetooth. So that was fun. I have like 6 lava lamp samples in my place currently from like all the different ones we've been testing. Now, luckily, we've managed to solve that overheating problem. So that's not an issue anymore.
Ah, that's a shame. Surely the risk of heavy injury or even death would be an appealing selling point to customers.
So it actually turns out that's not an appealing selling point to customers, which I guess makes sense. But yeah, so currently, the last sort of issue that we ran into was the glass. The glass was, on the current samples that I have, was sort of, in some rare cases, unable to handle like the different temperature changing loads, which was really cool. It led to some fractures on like a small portion of the samples, which means we have to upgrade the glass to some samples that won't happen on, because there's like, you can get glass that's specifically made to like not do that. So we're gonna do that. Small problem. The manufacturing times for the upgraded glass lava lamps, can you guess how long it takes?
I'm not sure. 1 to 2 weeks.
8 fucking weeks.
Yikes.
Yes, yikes is the answer. So we're going to start the final manufacturing run on this like very, very soon, ASAP, to start manufacturing all 7,000. But this new glass, it's going to take 8 weeks, which means that I apologize, I genuinely do, but we're not going to ship June. It looks like we're going to ship August. Yeah. There's